Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Korean Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Korean. Imagine walking into a room full of people in Korea. Everyone turns to look at you. You feel that tiny moment of pressure. What do you say? Do you smile awkwardly? Do you bow? Do you freeze? Or do you confidently introduce yourself in Korean? Because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. Step by step, slowly, clearly. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself naturally. Even if this is your very first time learning Korean. Let's begin. The simplest way to introduce yourself in Korean is 안녕하세요. 저는 입니다. Let's break that down slowly. First, 안녕하세요. This means hello. It's polite, safe, and you can use it almost anywhere. Try saying it with me. 안녕하세요. Good. Again. 안녕하세요. Nice. Next. 저는. This means I am. But more literally, it means as for me. It introduces yourself as the topic. Say it slowly. 저는, again, 저는. Now the final part. 입니다. This means am in a formal and polite way. It completes the sentence. Say it. 입니다. One more time. 입니다. Now let's put it all together. 안녕하세요. 저는 입니다. Hello, I am. Let's try an example. If your name is Alex, 안녕하세요. 저는 Alex입니다. Say it slowly. 안녕하세요. 저는 Alex입니다. Say the full sentence. 안녕하세요. 저는 Alex입니다. Good. Take a moment. Let it sink in. Now, let's make your introduction feel warmer, more natural, more human. After introducing yourself, you can say, 만나세요, 반갑습니다. This means, nice to meet you. Let's break it down. 만나세요 means, upon meeting, 반갑습니다 means, I am glad or pleased. Together. 만나세요, 반갑습니다. Say it slowly. 만나서 반갑습니다. Now together. 만나서 반갑습니다. Now combine everything. 안녕하세요. 저는 Alex입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Say it slowly. One line at a time. 안녕하세요. 저는 Alex입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Now try saying it more smoothly, like a real introduction. Let's go a step further. What if you want to say where you're from? You can say, 저는 사람입니다. This means I am a person. For example, 미국 사람입니다. I am American. 필리핀 사람입니다. I am Filipino. 한국 사람입니다. I am Korean. Say it slowly. 사람입니다. Now let's build a full introduction. 안녕하세요. 저는 알렉스입니다. 저는 미국 사람입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Try repeating that slowly, calmly, clearly. Now we're going to practice speaking naturally. Listen first. 안녕하세요. 저는 알렉스입니다. 저는 미국 사람입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Now repeat after me. 안녕하세요. 저는 알렉스입니다. 저는 미국 사람입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Again. 안녕하세요. 저는 알렉스입니다. 저는 미국 사람입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. One more time. This time try to feel confident. In Korea, introductions aren't just about words. They're about respect. When you say 안녕하세요, a small bow makes a big difference. Not too deep, just a gentle nod. It shows politeness. It shows awareness. It shows effort. And that matters. Now, think about this. A few minutes ago, you didn't know how to introduce yourself in Korean. And now, you can say your name. You can say where you're from. You can greet someone politely. That's real progress. So before you leave, try saying your full introduction one more time, out loud, slowly, confidently. And remember, language learning isn't about perfection, it's about showing up, trying, and improving. I'll see you in the next lesson. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.